Work continues on the project over 20 Mile Creek on Highway 3 in Hedley. What they've done is they've got the forms up, and we'll see if we can actually give you a bit of a view of that. So what they're doing is they've got they're building the forms with rebar, and will eventually, I assume they're going to end up pouring cement here probably this week. Here's a look at some of the forms on the side here, or some of the rebar. Anyway, like I said, I assume that they'll be pouring the forms here pretty quick, and it won't take too long, I think, for this project to move a little quicker from where it is now. They continue to make pretty good progress. Yeah, it looks great. There's no doubt about it. This looks great.